This is how you're going to add PDFs or URLs for Elementor form acceptance fields. So first, you're going to head over to your Elementor website editor, and then from here, you're going to look over at the left side panel. Now, we're going to scroll down from the widgets section. We're going to scroll down until we find this form element. Now, we're just going to drag it over to our page. And then from here, we're just going to click on this edit icon right here, and then you'll be able to see this panel right here at the left side. Now, what we're going to do, you'll be able to see all of these fields. We're going to click on add item. So we're going to add another field. Now from here, you will see this item number 4. We're going to look over the type text, and then from here we're going to select this drop down arrow, and then we're going to click on acceptance. Now from this, you can see this label box right here. What we're going to do is we're just going to paste this link that I already have here. So you just have to copy this. We're going to copy that, and then we're going to paste it right here. Now this one, it allows for the terms button to be clickable. Now you can also add an acceptance text if you want, or you want this to be checked by default and all that stuff. And that's it. Once you hit on save, it will be saved right there. Now you'll be able to see what we did right here. It is a URL. You can see that the terms section right here became clickable. So once you hover your mouse over it, from red it turns into black. That means you can click it. And that's it. That is how you're going to add PDFs or URLs for Elementor form acceptance fields. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.